What's up, Streetboard family? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Simon Johns and today's video is all about the skate park. I'm going to be covering what we here at Dragan think are the 5 fundamentals that will help you ride better when tackling this new terrain on your streetboard. Now before we get started, I would encourage you to watch Dragan founder and former world champion Brinton Gunderson talk about the 5 streetboard basics to learn before you go to the skate park. There will be a link in the description box below to that video, along with another video discussing the difference between freestyle and cruiser boards. I would recommend using a freestyle board for skate park riding. This is going to be a list of basic maneuvers rather than named tricks, so you are definitely able and encouraged to try these no matter which board you own. If you're ready, let's jump right in. Number 1, ride up a ramp and turn around. Start small and use whatever flat bank or incline you have available. When you feel ready, take it to a quarter pipe. You can perform the turn either front side or back side. Your body will know which way feels more natural at first, but once that becomes easier, don't forget to practice the opposite way. Number 2, ride up a ramp and come down backwards, also known as fakie. Just as with the previous move, start yourself small on a banking and work your way up to a quarter pipe. You'll be riding backwards, which can feel very weird at first, so it's important to take things slow. Remember, we're just building a foundation here. Number 3, roll off something. If your skate park has some sort of ledge or drop, try ride your board off it by lifting the front wheels just before you go over the edge. If this is not available or the obstacles at your skate park seem too high, then a curb will do the trick until you build your confidence. Number 4, jump up something. Find the smallest edge at the skate park and jump forwards onto the flat top and continue rolling. You can even link this together with the previous move and roll off the same obstacle. Number 5, dropping in. This is the big one. You don't have to do this on your first, your second, your third, or even your 100th visit to the skate park. This is for when you feel comfortable enough with a little bit of speed and all the previous fundamentals are becoming too easy for you. This can be done from the top of a banking or the top of a quarter pipe. Go at your own pace and check out the tutorial for dropping in ramps by Sergi Nicholas in the description box below. That video will be filled with even more details on how to build your confidence riding ramps. Now that you know what to practice, get out there and start shredding. If you're not already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Myself and the rest of the team will be bringing you more tips and tricks to help you ride better. See you in the next one. Peace out.